Alright guys, it's a late one. Thank you for clicking on the video. So in this I am going to talk about 2020 and the objectives I have for this channel. So we had a lot of snow here recently and over Christmas, so I'm taking it to the mountains, and Lace and Volk are coming with me. So you're watching KnightDriveTV. I even have things like this planned, which are going to bring a lot to this channel, and I really think that you're going to enjoy it. I really have some visions and some things that I want to do, so take a listen and let's hit the canyons. Guys, I know I haven't done an update on the Pathfinder for quite some time. Just been, working hard trying to do a bunch of different videos, but actually got a lot of equipment for the Pathfinder that I'm going to be going over. But, just figured I'd get out into Vegas and show you guys that there's more to this area than just the strip and gambling and things like that. So yeah, guys, for 2020, I really want to do a lot with this channel. And, I've just been thinking about a lot of different approaches to take. I have the Corvettes, I have the Pathfinder. I like off-road and on-road, to be honest with you. I have been considering doing some videos that are basically just general news. And, I follow so much car stuff day to day. I talk to friends about it. And I just think, there's a place potentially to just have maybe like a weekly show or something like that. But he sees something, I'm worried. But I've thought about that, and I really want to expand the channel. To be honest, I've been out of the automotive world for some time, couple years, and I think YouTube is a great way to get back. And the more I think about it, the more that I see the potential in it to do some different things. So I've got some new equipment. I'm really going to be pushing ahead with more cinematography as well. I want to do some videos that really show off some some editing ability and some creativity. I think video is something I've always enjoyed, dating back to when I did car shows in to 08 and 09. I had video equipment and I would use that as promo, and I loved the crossover. So it's something that YouTube's given me the opportunity to really think about and say, I can do this again. So some cinematic videos, come back here. Some cinematic videos. I want to do maybe some car news, might try a weekly show. And also, I do want to get with some other builders and some other cars. I want to show a lot more Corvettes on this channel that are built by other people, and just some real specialty stuff. Even older cars, I want to kind of do, a review. Can you daily a 1965 Corvette? Can you daily a 1976 Corvette? So these are some things I also want to look into. So, what is your goal for KnightDriveTV in 2020, Lace?
I mean, I'd love to hit a certain number. I'd like to see more events. Maybe I'd like to go see more events, do more, let the channel see more, let people see more. I want to do more with my car. I want to be in the videos more. I've been a little absent from them, but I want to do more with my car this year. It's kind of my goal. That, and I think we need a little C5, C6 war here. Who has a better car? Mine's just stock right now, and I have a thing for the C5Z. It's just, I love that car. But I don't know. I feel like I need to do more to my car. We need to see.
Why aren't you in the video?
Just haven't been around. I work a lot, but I'm going to try and be around more so we can do this.
A lot of young guys on YouTube, a lot of guys that I just feel like, aren't hitting the certain targets. There's not a lot of expertise. I'd like to bring more of that. So, and I'd really like to start doing more fabrication and things, get back to that. So lots of things in 2020 I'm hoping to achieve. The subscribers and you subscribing, it really is a motivator for me, because growing the channel and seeing that growth, it just keeps me wanting to push forward. So I was seeing where he was. He's doing something, but yeah, guys, so that's it. It's just a short one. I'm going to give you a little bit more views of outside of the outskirts of Vegas here, and I don't know, throw me a comment if you haven't yet, and I appreciate it. Come here, don't go back there. There might be wolves back there. Come on. This is kind of west. This is heading west towards California. This is directly kind of north. That's Red Rock, and then over there is Mount Charleston, and then Vegas is right down through there. And then we're slowly, like, this is like southward. So as you can see, we are in the mix. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed the video. It's just a short one. It is almost midnight. I'm allergies and tired. It's just bad. My fatigue shows often. That's what doing these videos tells me. Basically, yes, I have ordered a lot of equipment. I'm reinvesting all the ad revenue, obviously, as much as I can. So I've got a lot better camera equipment coming, looking for a lot more quality here, and I'm really looking forward to doing some creative things. So I also want to tell you, this is Saturday that I have uploaded this. I'm going to upload it early, but basically I'm going to do a live stream, I believe, Saturday night here, and so the goal being to kind of maybe discuss this further. I don't expect many people to probably view because I don't have that, I don't have that many subs, but I figured I would do it, and if you might catch it, then we can kind of talk back and forth and whatnot, and you can maybe give me your suggestions, and I'll go into a little bit more depth of what I mean by the weekly show and kind of the format that I'm thinking about. And I really just want to do the live stream to kind of get my setup correct for it for the future. So it's going to be kind of a test. So I hope you guys had a great holiday, and obviously ringing in the new year, we're looking for big goals. I'm looking to hit the gym more because my shoulders have been all fouled up, and lots of things. Lots of things that don't matter on this channel, but looking at yourself all the time kind of does weird things to your brain. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you on the next one, and like I said, check out that live stream tonight. See you later.